I'm finna give her the key so she can drive off so y'all can't get a reason to take her ass.
I promise you, if you get in that car and drive, you're going to jail for DUI.
When deputies responded to a late-night disturbance call at a local residence, they encountered a woman shouting profanities, appearing intoxicated, and refusing any form of assistance. Instead of cooperating with deputies, she became increasingly confrontational and demanded that they leave the property.
Oh, what's going on?
Take her ass again. Take her ass.
What's going on, man?
That's my mama. She came home drunk as just point the gun at her ass at Jamaica House. So she crashing out. So I took her keys because my sister came here and gave me the keys.
Because you don't want her driving?
Yeah, because she don't want her driving. She drunk. If you fucking breathalyze, you might die. Been drinking since like 5 o'clock.
How old are you, man?
I'm 17.
That's your mom?
Yes.
Stay.
What's your name, man?
Go about your business. Don't come up here. You ain't got a warrant. Go.
Look, she might just swing. So
Right.
if she do anything crazy,
Give me my keys. Give me my fucking keys.
He's probably doing the right thing. You probably
No,
shouldn't be
go.
driving.
Go. Bye.
Huh?
Turn around and go that way.
Well, that's not
I
okay.
have my right away. I have my right. So turn around. Give me my keys.
He's gonna give it to you. That's your key. You're the dog. He's a joke, and I just remember that part. He's trying to save you.
Why are you talking to me?
mama, she drunk as a
What
fuck. I took her keys from her because she's trying to go back to Jamaica House because the just put the gun out of her.
Did anything physical happen?
Huh?
Did she hit you or anything? Or?
They're throwing all our shit around. I had some soup from Jamaica House. She threw that shit. She took her base, throw the shit. You want to go in the house and look?
Morgan, did anything physical? Did she hit you?
No, she
or
threw the
anybody?
soup at my little brother.
Did
That's
hit
it.
Where's he at? How old is
I don't
he?
know. He walked off.
Oh, he's not even here?
But he walked well. What?
Yeah,
With who?
by himself.
How old is he?
it the one I saw with you the other day?
Yeah, 16. He's 16.
Oh, okay. Is he hurt?
I don't know. He gone.
Was the soup like boiling?
Nah, we had it for a minute now.
Okay.
She
Do you
went
have
up
your
there-
phone on you?
Huh?
You have your phone on you?
Yeah.
Give him a call. Just make
I
sure
don't
he's
know where
alright.
his phone. I don't know if he got his phone.
We'll try at least, yeah.
Well, where'd he go? He left one.
Matter of fact, this him right here. This him right here.
That's him?
Yeah.
Does that key have the house key on it too?
Yeah, this got the house key in the car.
Is the house door
Hello?
locked right now?
Did he answer?
Nah, I don't got no internet.
You're on FaceTime with somebody.
This him. Hello?
Put it on speaker. He may not hear you.
Nah, he don't got no internet. Yeah, I put all her shit in the car. She tried to call an Uber to my back to the place.
I understand you trying to help your mom out.
My sister told me not to give her none of her shit back because she was up there and she got into an argument with somebody because she too drunk and somebody put the gun out on her up there.
Is he alright?
Yeah, he alright. Yeah, he alright. Nah, she tripping. Y'all could just take her ass. If she go to jail, I'll bill her out in the morning.
That's not how it works.
I'm finna give her the key so she can drive off so y'all can't get a reason to take her ass.
You got my phone too. Give me my
That's
phone.
the thing, and I understand. What's your
Give me
name?
my
Clearance.
phone.
How do you know she was drunk?
Huh?
How do you know she
Because I went to I went to Jamaica House with her and she was
Ma'am, stop yelling. We're here in conducting investigation. If you keep, I don't care. If you keep yelling, you're going to jail. Stop. Yes, I can. We're conducting investigation. It could also be disorderly conduct because you're keeping people up. So stop yelling. Well, ma'am, you have no idea what you're talking about. We don't need a warrant to conduct an investigation. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We're conducting an investigation. We're conducting a domestic battery investigation. Ma'am, if you keep it up, you're going to go to jail for drunk and disorderly. For drunk and disorderly. It doesn't matter. You can't be disorderly on your own property. Ma'am, you need to educate yourself, all right? You need to educate yourself a little bit more. Well, we'll get into that. But you need to stop yelling. Okay, doesn't matter. Again, you should educate yourself before you go to jail. Ma'am, again, you don't know what you're talking about, ma'am. Yeah, you're right. I don't have a warrant. We don't need a warrant. Okay, well, maybe take like a civics class or something, then we'll talk, all right?
The best way to go about it.
I promise you, if you get in that car and drive, you're going to jail for DUI. I promise you that. And I'm going to make sure we sit here and watch the street all night.
I don't want her.
You're hammered. I'm going to. Please do not drive. Uber's fine. I'm good with that.
Yes. No, I paid the money so she can get this car. When we were in Indiana, I paid for the car so she can
You
get
didn't
the
pay
car.
for shit, bitch.
Dude, you talk to your kids like this? Oh my God.
That's what I'm saying. She drunk. She don't know how to act.
It's crazy.
Yes.
It's absurd, man. So you gotta be an adult and a bigger person. Be a parent.
Because she dumb.
That's not something you say about that no either.
No, y'all just don't know the real though.
Hey, it's go around both ways. I get it. You try to do the right thing. Don't want to let it drive.
She's gonna make her decisions. So you're doing the right thing, but as long as we can, we'll make sure she doesn't drive. But yeah, I can't imagine what you're going through having a mom like this. No offense, man.
If she go back up there, he gonna shoot her ass.
Wow, what do you mean? What?
I got life insurance. You can pay.
I don't give a about that little ass 50,000.
At the end of the day, if she's an adult, she has her own free will. If she wants to go there, she wants to go there. If she don't want to report something, if she doesn't want to call Miami Gardens, you know what I mean?
My sister's the one who took the keys.
Yeah.
My sister had to drive her here because she was too drunk.
Anybody else that she would listen to?
No, she don't even listen to her own parents.
Well, look, man. Like I said, I mean, she has her own free will. You're doing the right thing, but you know, unfortunately, I mean,
I ain't gonna lie, I don't gotta give her keys.
it's up to you. I mean, look.
We can't force you to do it though.
Yeah, we can't force you to do anything.
We can't force anybody to do anything, but at the end of the day, it's only going to cause more issues. We're going to be out here, and we don't want to. Yeah, honk your car. Like what? We're obviously not busy. Yeah, at the end of the day, we don't want to come back out and take somebody to jail. So,
Nah, y'all can take her to jail.
well, I'm saying we don't want to, but also no crime, nobody's in danger, nobody's hurt right now.
Like she dead ass breaking all the shit in the house.
Yeah.
It's her house.
Yeah, that's her house.
Unfortunately, she could break everything she wants in the house. And don't walk up to us right now. We're still talking to him.
I can.
No, you
A R
can't.
I
We're
R.
still-
I'm in my yard. ARIRAIMU. That's my name.
didn't want to talk
Ari
to us, that's why I
Ramon.
didn't ask you.
Please give me my keys and my
We
phone.
don't have them.
He has them.
Okay, so don't ask us to give them to you. We don't have them.
He has them.
Okay, but that's not us. We don't have them.
He has them.
So okay, so you can ask him. But we
No,
don't
it
have
ain't
them.
asking. He's not giving them to
Okay,
me.
well
He has them.
we can't. It's communal property. You guys are a
It's
family.
my community.
We can't take property from him to
Y'all
give
full
to
of
you.
shit.
Well, okay, I don't agree with you, but if you want to,
Y'all full of shit.
okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you for the criticism or the critique.
Yeah. Y'all
Thank you
been
so
full of
much.
shit.
Perfect.
It's like y'all been watching my shit. Tell me my shit.
I have no idea what that means. I've
Tell
never
me-
heard shit.
Yeah, I know
said
it
so many
because
times.
I have.
Y'all are
fucking-
watching my shit, that
Actually,
shit, you know that
yeah,
shit.
y'all
I have
have.
no idea what that means.
Yeah, because
you-
y'all pulled me over. Y'all followed me.
pulled
Everything
you over
else,
and
y'all
followed you?
sent the helicopters, arrested them. Yeah,
We
y'all.
sent
Yes,
the
you'll have.
helicopters on you?
You'll have.
Ma'am, you might need to talk to a doctor or
No.
something if you think we sent
I don't.
helicopters
No,
and
I
they've been
got
following
proof.
you.
It happened.
Okay.
No, it happened. It ain't no doctor. It's happened. I got proof. They should just got dropped.
Okay. Wonderful. We're not
You remember the helicopters?
following
The
you.
helicopters y'all used on them?
Yeah,
With the
I remember
infrared?
That's not the first time I made contact with him.
Okay, yeah, I'm
I saw them
not.
the
So I need a
before
doctor?
they run away.
He
I
just
mean,
said I
maybe
need a
you're
doctor.
talking about that we're following you. We're not
you
following
don't.
you.
Not
You
following
don't.
you.
No, well, that's not
But
very
yeah,
nice. But
give
we're
me
not
my
following
shit.
you.
I don't
promise you
care
that.
if you're nice, because you're not
I
nice.
said that wasn't nice.
You're not nice.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Give me my shit. Give me my keys. Give me my phone right
I
now.
wonder why they.
Yeah, seriously, right?
Give me my keys and my phone.
They don't have a parent in the
Like
house.
if I tap
They do
her, she
have
gonna
a
fall
parent.
on
No,
the
you don't.
ground.
Like,
You
Yes,
need to-
they do. You don't know.
Well, trust me, by how I can see you
Well,
talking
maybe
to
you
them,
should be their daddy. Because that's how they
I'd
talk to
probably
me.
do a lot better than how you're doing right now. I feel
What?
bad for them.
You
3
don't know
kids.
shit. You don't know shit.
I know, that's sad.
You don't
I've
know
only
shit.
been with you for 5 minutes.
No,
and I, can
I don't
already
care
tell.
because you never been in my shoes. If you walked in my shoes,
Probably
you'd be like,
drink a little
oh,
bit
yeah, I
less
realize.
and
No.
take care of your kids.
She
You
do.
don't
She
know.
drink every day.
Yeah, I know.
What?
I know.
You
I
don't know
believe it.
shit.
I believe it.
What you mean every day?
This
What?
is gonna be out here
When
again,
you went
so-
to Indiana, you was breaking in shit. You was breaking in cars.
Yeah.
You was stealing shit, right? You went to Indiana while I was in bed asleep, right?
I did.
And yes. So you
Maybe-
don't know
maybe if
shit,
the
so don't
parenting was
judge
better,
me.
he wouldn't start doing
No,
that.
it's not.
Let me tell
So
you the
maybe you
reason.
should judge the
I've never-
father.
My grandpa had to
Y'all
take
sit
care
there
of
and put
me because
it-
I had went to
right.
jail for something I didn't
Guess
do.
what?
But y'all put it on us.
He's not in the
You
picture.
put it on us.
I'm gonna put
You
it
put
on
on
both of you.
us.
I'm gonna put it on you
No,
and the
you're
father.
not.
Okay, well I am.
The father is
Jail for
shit.
2 months
well,
behind my little brother.
doesn't seem like you're
And
doing
then
the
my
best for
grandpa
them
The
right
father,
now.
I did everything I can.
Okay, well,
And they
let's
sit
probably
there
do
and
more.
talk shit to me. They tear my shit
Well,
up. They break my shit.
after seeing
They
how you-
put-
after
no,
seeing how you talk
no,
to them, I don't
because
blame
you
them.
don't know.
Man, don't get in my
You don't know
face,
shit.
all
Yeah,
right?
I'm not in your face.
Yeah,
you
you
got
are.
a,
You
you got a
keep stepping
camera.
up to
I'm
me.
not. But I got dents in my
you are.
car.
You
I
just
got
did
damage
all
to
this.
my
Well, look,
house.
here's the deal.
They tear my shit up
Here's the deal.
because I
Listen,
give
stop
them.
yelling. Listen,
Tell
stop
them what
yelling.
they can't do.
Stop yelling. This is what we're gonna do.
No, you don't know. I don't care about
Here's the deal.
CPS. you in CPS.
Okay, that's fine. We're gonna leave now because there's no crime
Well,
that occurred
bye.
here. If you
I need my
guys, if you
keys.
guys get into something physical,
I need my
we'll come
keys.
back and take y'all to jail.
I need my keys
All right.
to
All right.
my car. Give him my shit. And you?
Cool.
We don't want things to
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna have trouble sleeping with
I don't care.
a thought of you not liking me.
I'm not gonna have
It's gonna
trouble
weigh. It's
sleeping.
gonna weigh really high on my mind. That's cool. Hey, you have a good one, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's disgusting, by the way. I would never do that.
It might be right to you.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Have a good one, though.
Your wife might be bullshit.
I don't have a wife, so that's fine. Have a good one, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hey, listen. This is a serious warning, though. Listen, this is a serious warning. If you keep yelling out here, listen, you keep yelling out here and disturbing your neighbors, I am going to take you to jail for drunk and disorderly.
So I'm on my property.
No, you can't yell. If we come out here again, I promise you, you're going to jail. All right? I'm giving you a warning right now. She's gone. Yep.
That's all I have to do is
Don't touch me. You're going to jail. Now you're going to jail. For drunk and disorderly. I told you. You're out here in the street yelling. We're not going to do that.
relax.
Doesn't matter where you are. You can't be out here.
Relax.
I was gonna ask him to give me my phone.
Nope, doesn't matter. Now you're going to jail. I told you. I gave you so many warnings. Do not be out here yelling. All you're going to do is cause an issue to where
I asked him.
it doesn't matter. I don't care. You're going to
So
jail
he can
now.
take my stuff, right?
It's your family property. You're going to jail, ma'am. You're way too old for this.
Too old for what?
To be
You got
acting
my
like this.
phone?
You're acting like a child.
You
You're acting like
my
a
kids
child.
take my
It's disgusting how you act.
shit. You don't even know what I've been going through with him.
Well, trust me, it's all caused by you. Be a better parent. Don't talk to your kids like that. Yell and curse and
You don't know.
the way you talk to me in front of them, it's disgusting. He gave you a chance. I told you many
No,
times.
but listen.
Go inside. Do not yell. If you yell again, you're going to
Listen.
jail. So that's
You
what's
ain't
happening.
listening? He took my
No,
phone.
no, no. You know what? Now you're gonna be all nice and calm and try to
No,
say,
it's
hey,
not
will you listen?
calm.
Will you listen? Will you listen? I'm
But
not
you
gonna
don't
listen.
know. Listen, I got this in my car because he didn't get his way.
That I have no idea what you just said. What?
You got what?
I have dents in my car because he never got his way.
Well,
We're talking about tonight.
ma'am.
That's not about
That-
tonight.
that's neither
you don't
here
know
nor
what
there.
I go through. But I asked for my phone. All he had to do is give me my phone. Just let me
Okay,
give me
well,
my
all you
phone.
got to do is go inside and not yell outside and disturb everybody. Your neighbors have kids in the house. They're trying to sleep.
All I asked
You
him
want
to
that,
give
boss,
me
right?
my phone.
Okay, and all I asked was that you don't scream and yell outside. Well, I'm all the way
Give
over
me
here.
my
I hear you
phone.
screaming like a child
Okay, why are you not making him give me my phone?
because I don't need to.
You ain't gotta grab me.
Because I don't need to.
Okay.
Get in the back of the car.
But you letting a kid sit there and take my
I'm letting
stuff.
I think the only responsible person at your house right now.
No, I'm talking to him.
No, you're not. You're going to go in the car.
Keep talking to him in the
But
car.
you let
If you
him.
want to talk to me, I'll talk you through the window. Now that you've calmed down a little bit because you're going to jail, I appreciate it though.
Hold on.
What?
I was just watching.
Hey, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know you and your brothers have been in a little trouble before. And to be honest with you, man, after meeting your mom, not to be a dick, I kind of see that I'm sure you've had a lot of responsibility on your guys' plates.
Yeah.
From talking to you for 10 minutes, seems like you're a pretty good kid, and you've kind of been dealt a crap hand. Dude, if you need anything, I work West Park, Sergeant Ryan. You could reach out to me, all right? But try to stay out of trouble, man.
All right, well.
I know you've kind of breaking.
Nah, I just ordered a new. I just ordered a flight the other day ago because she was doing the same bullshit.
Dude, I'm be honest with you, man. Yeah, like if she's always acting like that when she's drunk, I'm sure it's a tough. You guys have had a tough go of it, so just do the
Well,
best.
I'll show you. I just
Yeah.
ordered me and my little brother a flight
To Indiana again.
to Indiana.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, look, I mean, that's if you go back to Indiana, you think it's a better, opportunity for you guys to stay, doing what's right. Then,
See, look, I
don't blame
ordered
you
a
for
ticket the other day when it was.
All right.
I ordered 2 of them.
Well, make sure your brother gets back. She's gonna go to jail. She's gonna be out in the morning.
All right.
Maybe she's all right, but it's just the drinking. But
Yeah.
she's going absolutely crazy. And to be honest with you, that's why we parked on the street because
Yeah.
I didn't want it to turn into something physical
Yeah,
between
because
you guys.
y'all seen she started trying to do that shit again as soon as she seen y'all pulling
Yeah.
off.
No, I know exactly. So that's why. But
Does she need any numbers on her phone if you're saying something? Does she
Nah.
know your number, I mean?
She know my sisters, I think.
yeah, so she's
All right,
called
that's
sister.
fine.
No, she don't know my sisters.
No.
Huh?
Hold on.
Yes.
Unreal. Is that always?
All the time.
I know the kids get in trouble, but I feel bad for them.
I
They just
know.
don't have a damn mother. Or you saw how she acts.
Well,
She's always like that?
Yeah. She's not always drunk.
Is she like that when she's not drunk though too? She's always.
We had 2 young kids in there, and when I said to her, I have
No,
children,
it's like my kids are
and she
sleeping.
goes, I don't give a F.
No, it had nothing to do with your child.
Yes, it is.
No, it's drunken disorderly.
No, he always does that to me.
He always.
I can be sober.
He always makes you yell at the top of your lungs outside at 2 a.m.
I come home from work. And here it goes.
Well, it had nothing to do with him. We didn't arrest you because of him.
What you don't realize, I come home from work.
No, man. All you had to do, like I warned you many times, was not scream at the top of your lungs at 2 a.m.
I stayed in my house.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
That's why we came back, because I literally saw it now.
No, you were sitting right
You were in the grass.
there.
We heard you in the front yard in the sidewalk
Ma'am.
screaming at
I
him.
was in my house.
Ma'am, you need a lesson on taking responsibility.
Accountability. Yeah.
Yeah, you're older than all of us here. You need to take responsibility for your
It's not
actions.
that.
Yes, it is.
No.
You're blaming it on your 17-year-old son because you were drunk and yelling in the front yard.
You know how much stuff I have?
Well, guess what? Some people over there just said they saw you smashing your car today too.
No, I didn't.
So instead of blaming it on your 17-year-old son, take some responsibility for your actions. Take some responsibility for your actions.
Deputies placed her under arrest and transported her into custody. According to the official police report, she was charged with disorderly intoxication for causing a public disturbance. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.